Hello, welcome to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Today we are going to discuss about questions, answers and clarifications. So we received few questions from our viewers. We want to discuss about them, and other than that, we also discuss about few important topics related to stock market, comparing between India and USA, and how the investors are investing in USA, how it is different from India, that kind of things we can discuss. So let us start with our first question. So before we start with question and answers, today in Indianapolis, where I am staying, we are having very cold temperatures. We are in sub temperatures. Today we are in minus 15 degrees feels. So let us see the snow also before we start the question and answers. So this is the snow. See guys how it is. The sun came today morning, and the snow was fallen yesterday, and it is looks so nice, but it is too cold also. Our first question from the users was, it is My Telugu Shop Pickles, but why are you speaking in English? That is the question that we received from our viewers. Yes, I need to answer. Yeah, it is My Telugu Shop Pickles. Why I am speaking in English is, we are explaining about stock market for India people. So we are having the users not only Telugu people but also from other states. So for them it is very difficult to understand Telugu. So that I started speaking in English for stock market related videos, and for cooking and other things my wife is doing in Telugu only, but we are writing in English few titles only. We are not writing the entire description for cooking videos also. Even for stock market we did our portfolio review video in Telugu, but a few guys are asking me to explain English, so that they can also watch these videos, so that we are doing that in English, all stock market related videos. So the question that we received from users, I noted down here. So the first question was, how we can add a bank account in Webull application. So we already prepared one video for this, how to add bank account in Webull, but still I am explaining. Once you log in into Webull app, you will see the horn symbol. So once you go to the home page and click on more button, where you can find the bank account. Once you click on that bank account option, click on new bank account and then add your bank account. So it will ask you your IFSC code, account number, confirmation, and then it will add to your application. So that is the way. And we are also having video. I will give that video link in our description of this video, so that it will help you for go through that again. The next question that we received was, what are the types of bank account that we can use? Usually we can use both saving accounts and current accounts. Both accounts we can link to this Webull app. There is no difference, but maybe from bank perspective, from transaction perspective it might be different, but there is no different usually. And few guys are asking about wire transfer, how they can transfer money from our Indian bank account to Webull application. So wire transfer is the type of method that can be used to transfer money from our bank account to another bank account, or to credit card account, or to some other account or loan account. So like that same way we can transfer this to our account. So few guys are asking about bank specific, how we can do this for Kotak Mahindra Bank, or for HDFC Bank, or for ICICI Bank, like that they are asking. So usually there will be no difference between the type of bank. So if you have any doubts, please reach out to your bank. Sometimes bank may not give the options, online options for few accounts. So wherever few guys are not having this online bank account and all, they may face this kind of issue, but other than that I don't think any difference between wire transfer for different banks and all. So let us move to our next question. So there are some basic questions again we are receiving. How we can invest in USA stock market from India? Actually we already did one video how we can invest in USA stock market from India. We can go through that, but let us explain how we can invest in few words, so that it will be useful for our users again. So there are many ways to invest from India in USA stock market. One is direct investment, another one is indirect investment. So direct investment is, so we can invest in USA stock market from foreign brokers. So that is the direct investment option. And indirect investment, so we can buy some ETFs like SPY from India itself. So and we can also invest in mutual funds of US stocks. So that is indirect investment that we can do. And the best way, as I told, right? So there are couple of apps, they remove the barrier between USA and India. So those apps are Webull, Robinhood and Vested app. As I told previously, our Webull app, we can invest directly into into USA stock market from India, where we just need 18 years of age, PAN card and bank account to do this, and Aadhaar card also to see your identification. Once it is done, you can transfer money and start investing. That is one option. Second option is Robinhood app. So as we discussed previously, to invest in Robinhood app, we need a SSN number. So the few persons who stayed in USA, they may have SSN, but most of our Indian guys are not having SSN. So Webull is the best app for us to invest. And another app is Vested app. We can also invest in Vested app, but my preference for you guys is Webull app, because a lot of users are using that in America. So I prefer that app for you guys. I think all these questions are answered, and I will give this video link also in our video description, so that you guys can go through that again. What is the next question? So let us see that. Our next question was add bank account. So this is received from another user. So yeah, as I told, right, go to home button and then click on more, add bank account. So that is the option we are having to do that. So please use that option, so that helps you guys. Okay. There are a couple of questions that we received. At what age investors can start investing? So in India, this app is asking for 18 years. So in India, we need 18 hours for start investing, but in USA, there is no such kind of restriction. So here the people are starting investing at the age of 10 itself. When they were going to school, they are starting investing. A lot of Americans are investing in stock market at early ages, so that they are getting better returns compared with others, so that they are more rich than others because they are earning more than us. So that is the thing. So you guys also please start investing after 18. Don't get late. And we need to also be economic independent, and we also need to be earn more money for our future generations and for our country's sake. The next question was, are Indian kids having lack of money or lack of financial knowledge? I don't think our Indian guys are not having money, but we are not having the financial knowledge. So who will give this financial knowledge? We can learn it from friends or WhatsApp groups or online, but in India our parents are not teaching this for us. That is the major drawback. So in USA it is not the case. So their parents are teaching at early age for the kids about financial knowledge. And let me see that question clearly. Yeah. Yes, as I told, right, we are not having the financial knowledge. That is the thing. The next question that is are more than 18-year kids having bank account in India? Yeah, most of them are not having bank accounts in India, unfortunately, but we need to get early age and start saving some money in that, instead of going for movies and spend time with friends and all. Save some money and start investing at early age. Yeah, unfortunately for this question the answer is we don't have, most of Indians are not having bank accounts. That is the backdrop. But nowadays most of banks are giving online accounts also, so you guys can open very easily nowadays. The banking sector has changed a lot. The next question was banking good at India or in America? A good question. Yeah, I like the Indian banking only. Indian banking transactions are very fast compared to USA bank transactions and all, but Indian banks are giving more interest rates than USA banks. That is the difference is there. The next question is, in America at what stage financial teaching starts? So for kids in America they are starting at very early age, 5-6 years. Once they started going for kindergarten, beyond that they will start about financial knowledge. And few parents are also joining their kids in Scout. Scout is nothing but kind of NCC activities. So in that, they are teaching financial independence, and they are taking to different camps and all. So those kids are learning at early age, and to collect money for that organization, they are selling some cookies. So those cookies they are giving it to parents, and parents will take them to their relatives or their for the supermarkets to sell out them to different people. So these people are learning at first class itself how to sell goods and get money, use that money either for donation or for saving. So like that, and few kids are also doing lemonade business in for their neighbors. So they are just selling out lemonade, and they are earning some money, and they are saving that. So like that, in America their parents are teaching at early age about how to get money and how to manage money and all. Our next question is it good to teach financial matters to kids at early age? Yeah, I think it is a myth not to teach kids about financial matters in the early age. So in India, most of kids, depend on their parents. So we never ask our parents, what is the finance, how we are getting and all. So if we ask, that is the big thing in India, but here it is not the case. So they will tell, all Americans will tell to their kids about their financial matter. So how they are earning, how they are spending, how much they are saving overall, and for their future also they are directly saying. For example, if they want to study graduation here, minimum they need to spend 100k. It is around 100k means 8 lakhs, 7.5 to 8 lakhs, not 7. Sorry, 75 lakhs to 80 lakhs for study graduation. For 1 year, there are few colleges are taking for 1 year 100k, but few government colleges, same like here we are having public and private colleges. Private colleges are charging very less money, around 30,000. That means it is 20 lakhs per annum. So they are paying that money, and they are teaching their kids what they want to study in future. For example, if they select medicine, here medicine is the very big thing, so they need to pay a lot of money for that. So they are teaching their kids, you want to study that degree, you need to save money right now. So they are giving such kind of guidance at early age. And also schools are schools and teachers directly asking them what you want to become in future, and if you want to become that, you need to have your strategy. Like that they are teaching here. So that is the main difference. So if Americans are teaching these financial things at early age, why can't our parents teach? I think it is better to teach early age, so that they can have all the knowledge, how we are getting income, how much we are spending, how much we are saving. So that will be very useful, I think. So our next question is so how we can beat the silence? That means how we can tell this information to all our Indians? That is the question. So this can be achieved by all of you guys, whoever watching this video, right? Please share with everyone, and I am educating you guys, and you guys start educating few other guys. So it will automatically, everyone will get automatically. So to share this video with everyone to know about all these things, please share this video, please comment our video also. So if any improvements required, maybe I can learn and do it. Our next question is give tips for save money for start investing at early age. So I need not to give any tips for you guys, okay? Most of them know how to save money. So usually if parents give pocket money, please don't spend for unnecessary things, and you can save that money. And please don't go for movies. You can get the movies in online, right, after 2 months or 1 month, so you can watch that movie later. And don't go for outings much, so you can save some money like that. There are different ways, to save money, so please save in that way. And please start investing at early age. I wish everyone to become millionaire at early age, so that you can work on other things in your life. Thank you guys, that's what I want to share. So these are all the questions that we received, and if you guys having any questions, please shoot out in comment section. When I get time, I will respond you guys on weekend. So that is the information for today. Thank you guys, thank you for watching our video. Please share our video with your friends and family members. Please subscribe to our channel, My Telugu Shop Pickles. Bye bye.